What is code in computers? If you've ever heard someone say they write code or are a programmer, you might wonder what exactly they mean by code. Let's break it down step by step in simple terms. So, what is code? At its core, code is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Think of it as a recipe for a computer. Just like a recipe tells you how to make a cake step by step, code tells a computer how to perform specific tasks. So, how does code work? Imagine you're writing a set of instructions for a robot. 1. Walk forward 5 steps. 2. Pick up the ball. 3. Turn around and walk back. This is similar to how computer code works. It provides precise instructions. However, instead of English, computers understand programming languages. What are programming languages? A programming language is a special language used to write code. Just like we speak English, Spanish, or Mandarin, computers speak in languages like Python, JavaScript, C++, Java. Why different languages? Different programming languages are used for different tasks. For example, Python is great for data analysis and automation. JavaScript is used for creating interactive websites. C++ is fast and powerful, often used in video games. What does code look like? Here's a simple example in Python, one of the most beginner-friendly languages. This code tells the computer to display the text, "Hello World," on the screen. Simple, right? So, how does the computer understand code? Computers don't directly understand programming languages like Python or JavaScript. They only understand binary code, ones and zeros. How does it get translated? When you write code, 1. Compiler or interpreter translates the code into machine language, binary. 2. Execution. The computer runs the translated instructions. Where is code used? Code is everywhere. Here are just a few examples. Websites. The code makes buttons clickable and forms work. Apps, games, messaging apps, and social media platforms. Smart devices. Even your fridge or smart speaker runs on code. Self-driving cars. Complex code helps these cars navigate safely.